If you've ever seen someone walk into a room looking effortlessly fresh, glowing, and perfectly put together without a hint of overstyling, you know the kind of presence that lingers in your mind. That's the clean girl aesthetic. And it's so much more than slick buns and dewy skin. It's a way of dressing, moving, and carrying yourself that makes people wonder what your secret is. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to create it from head to toe, and why the part that truly makes it unforgettable comes right at the end. Radiant skin. The foundation of this aesthetic isn't a product, it's your actual skin. Healthy, radiant skin makes everything else fall into place. This means building a skincare routine that hydrates, protects, and nourishes. A gentle cleanser, a moisturizer suited to your skin type, daily SPF, and the occasional serum or mask work together to keep your complexion looking its best. When your skin glows on its own, you don't need heavy layers to fake it. The result is that soft, light-catching finish that feels alive and fresh, not weighed down by makeup. And while products are important, lifestyle matters just as much. Hydration, quality sleep, balanced meals, and managing stress all show up on your face. A consistent routine doesn't just give short-term radiance, it builds long-term skin health, so even makeup-free days feel confident. That's the real secret behind every effortless clean girl glow. Minimal makeup. Makeup for the clean girl look is about enhancing what's already there. Instead of full coverage foundations, opt for tinted moisturizers or BB creams that even out your skin without hiding its texture. A creamy blush tapped onto the cheeks gives life to the face, while a touch of liquid highlighter along the cheekbones and bridge of the nose adds a subtle glow. Brows are brushed up and lightly defined, lashes get a quick coat of mascara, and lips stay hydrated with a clear gloss or a neutral balm. The goal is to look as though you're not wearing much at all, while still feeling polished. This means choosing formulas that melt into the skin, using cream textures over powders for a fresher finish, and keeping colors soft and natural. It's the kind of makeup that lets freckles peek through and skin texture remain visible. Proof you're enhancing, not masking. A light hand is key here. The clean girl aesthetic thrives on restraint. Sleek hair. A good hairstyle can elevate even the simplest outfit. The clean girl aesthetic leans into sleek, well-groomed styles like low buns, mid-ponytails, or softly clipped updos. A little hair oil or serum smooths out flyaways and adds that healthy sheen. The part is neat, the strands are in place, and the finish is controlled without looking stiff. Even if you're wearing leggings and a sweatshirt, a polished hairstyle instantly communicates that you're put together. The magic lies in making it look intentional without being overcomplicated. 5 minutes with the right brush and product can transform bedhead into something that feels chic. A silk scrunchie or minimalist claw clip can keep it functional yet stylish. And when in doubt, freshly washed, air-dried hair tucked neatly behind the ears still captures that clean, effortless vibe. Neat grooming. This aesthetic relies on subtle but meticulous upkeep. Nails are neatly trimmed and often painted in milky nudes, sheer pinks, or translucent finishes that look clean rather than flashy. Brows are shaped but not overdrawn. Skin, including hands and body, is kept moisturized so it feels as good as it looks. These details are quiet, but they're what make the whole image feel complete. You may not notice them immediately, but you'd notice their absence. Even things like smooth heels, freshly washed hair, and lightly exfoliated lips contribute to the overall impression. Grooming isn't just about appearance, it's about self-respect. When you take the time to maintain these small details consistently, you project an air of intention that's instantly noticeable, even if no one can quite pinpoint why you look so put together. This is why the clean girl aesthetic often feels effortless to the outside world. It's actually the product of consistent, behind-the-scenes care. Over time, these habits become second nature, turning grooming from a chore into a personal luxury. Neutral wardrobe. The clean girl aesthetic doesn't require a closet full of clothes, but it does call for the right pieces. Crisp white t-shirts, tailored trousers in beige or black, ribbed tanks, oversized blazers, and slip dresses form the foundation. The color palette is soft and restrained. Think white, black, gray, beige, and warm earthy tones. These colors mix and match easily, so you can build outfits without the stress of clashing shades. The beauty of a neutral wardrobe is that it never feels dated. A blazer you buy today will still feel fresh in 5 years. Plus, neutrals act as a canvas, allowing you to elevate looks with textures like cashmere, silk, or structured cotton. It's not about being boring, it's about creating harmony in your outfits, so the focus is on you, not just your clothes. And here's the secret. Neutrals travel well across occasions. You can wear the same trousers to a coffee date and a boardroom meeting simply by changing your shoes and jewelry. That's style versatility at its finest. Subtle accessories. Accessories in this aesthetic are never loud, but they're never accidental either. A pair of small gold hoops, a delicate chain necklace, and a slim ring or two can quietly elevate a look without overpowering it. The same goes for handbags. Choose simple, structured styles in neutral shades with minimal hardware. These pieces don't distract from the outfit, they complete it. Even sunglasses are chosen with restraint, sticking to timeless shapes rather than trend-driven frames. The key is quality over quantity. One well-made bag you reach for daily is more impactful than 5 trendy ones that lose appeal after a season. Subtle accessories whisper sophistication. They're the finishing touch that tells the world you've considered every detail without shouting for attention. And because they're understated, they transition effortlessly from day to night, work to weekend, without looking out of place. The beauty of minimal accessories is that they never compete with you. They simply frame your presence in the most flattering way. Fresh footwear. Footwear can make or break the vibe. White sneakers are a signature element of the clean girl aesthetic because they go with almost everything and add a fresh, sporty touch. Neutral leather flats, sandals, or loafers also fit beautifully into the rotation. The key is keeping them clean and in good condition. Scuffed sneakers or worn-out sandals will undercut the polished feel, no matter how perfect the rest of your look is. This is why regular cleaning and rotation matter. Have a gentle cleanser for sneakers, polish for leather shoes, and store them properly when not in use. Fresh footwear says you care about how you present yourself from head to toe. And in a style built on refinement, the details at ground level are just as important as the glow on your face. Investing in timeless, versatile shoes also means you'll wear them more, making them worth every cent. After all, in the clean girl world, style isn't just what you wear, it's how well you maintain it. Easy outfits. One of the joys of this aesthetic is how easily the pieces work together. A white tee with straight leg jeans, gold hoops, and white sneakers. A matching lounge set with fresh sneakers and a dainty necklace. A slip dress with minimal sandals and a low bun. Each combination feels intentional yet easy. The magic lies in pairing structured items with something softer, or casual staples with one elevated piece, so the outfit feels balanced rather than flat. Planning ahead helps. Having 2 or 3 go-to-outfit formulas means you can get dressed in minutes without overthinking. And because these outfits are simple, they leave room for your personality to shine through in the way you carry yourself. It's proof that style doesn't need to be complicated to make a lasting impression. Healthy habits. The clean girl aesthetic isn't just about appearance, it's a reflection of daily habits. Staying hydrated, getting enough sleep, managing stress, and eating in a way that supports your health all contribute to that inner glow. These habits keep your skin clear, your eyes bright, and your energy steady. They also create the calm, centered demeanor that makes this style so appealing. Movement matters too, whether it's yoga, walking, or light strength training. Regular activity boosts posture and confidence. The clean girl look comes from the inside out. You can't fake the vibrance that comes from feeling good in your body. Even something as simple as taking a few deep breaths before stepping out the door can set the tone for how you move through your day. Over time, these rituals become part of your lifestyle, not just your style. And here's the thing, everything we've covered so far will only take you so far unless you add one more element. Without it, even the most polished outfit and glowing skin will feel incomplete. That's where we move into something far more powerful than a wardrobe choice. Quiet confidence. All the skincare, hair products, and outfit planning in the world can't replace the impact of confidence. The clean girl aesthetic works because it projects an easy self-assurance. It says, I value myself enough to take care of the details. That doesn't mean perfection. It means carrying yourself with grace even when things aren't flawless. Confidence makes the look believable. Without it, it's just clothes and makeup. With it, it's a whole presence. This confidence doesn't happen overnight. It's built through consistency, self-care, and knowing your worth. When you walk into a room feeling comfortable in your own skin, people notice. They may not know your exact lip gloss shade or where you bought your blazer, but they'll remember the way you carried yourself calm, composed, and completely in control of your own style. This look may be understated, but it's quietly powerful, and once you make it your own, you'll never see style the same way again. And if you're ready to take this polished aesthetic a step further, this next video will show you how to look effortlessly expensive without spending a fortune.